How to change card on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to update either your debit or credit card information on Cash App. The first step is to launch the Cash App mobile application just as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different parts of the app. From those options, the one we need today is this one here with the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, there are sections that you can use to access different features of the app. Next, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you come to this section named Account and Settings. Under the section, there are other options. From those options, tap this one here named Linked Banks. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. You will then land on this page where you will see a list of all the different accounts, debit card, and credit cards you have connected to Cash App. As you can hear, two cards and accounts are connected where one card is a credit card while the other is a debit card. So let us proceed. Tap on the card you want to update just like you can see here. After that, a new menu pops up that has several options as you can see. From them, tap this one here named Replace Card. After doing that, this page will appear where you are supposed to enter your card details. Make sure you enter them correctly. Next, tap here Add Card. After that, this other page will appear. On this page, you have to enter or provide some important information such as the month and year. Also, make sure you enter the CVV number. This number is normally found on the back of the card. Also, enter your zip code here. Finally, make sure all the details you have entered are correct. After verifying, proceed and tap here Add Card. The card will then be added to your Cash App account. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change card on Cash App.